Alright, weird start to this video. Listen, the quality is going to be garbage because my editing app is not working right. I already edited the whole video and it won't save. So I'm going to have to screen record this whole video. So it might be a little bit blurry, but it'll still get the good sound out of the exhaust. So here's the video. Alright guys, I'm back. New video, Corsa exhaust going on today. Finally, after I've had the exhaust for like 2 months, I got the car. As you see, it's all blacked out, it's filthy. I'm back. For you, those who want to know, the car is completely stock right now. The exhaust, the valves are currently open. So the video you just heard is the valves being open. I know this kind of looks weird. This is my vinyl wrap. I'm about to get the car wrapped, dropping it off tonight after I get this exhaust done. And what I'm gonna do with my exhaust is it's a Corsa exhaust. It's for my CTS-V. A lot of you don't know, but I picked up a CTS-V. I mean, most of you guys follow me on my Instagram. It's at Sinister_lifestyle. So a lot of you guys follow me there, but some of you on YouTube or some of you that are gonna see this on YouTube don't know I have, I just got a CTS-V and I had a ZL1 before. ZL1 and Z06 I recently both sold. So this CTS-V for the most part is gonna stay stock. I have an intake and an exhaust video, an intake video coming soon. The exhaust is gonna go on soon. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. I'm heading to my buddy's shop. He's gotta do a little bit of like cutting because I'm not just gonna do the axle back. I wanna cut at least one of the two sets of cats out. So it has a primary and secondary cat. On my ZL1 video, I'll leave the link in the description. I did a cat delete. So the cat delete actually makes it a lot louder, but it doesn't throw a check engine light or anything if you don't have a tune. So that's what I'm gonna do. The exhaust is right there. The vinyl wrap is across my seats over here, but I'm gonna head to the shop and I'm gonna get little rev videos going for you guys so you can hear how it sounds stock.
Way smaller box than last time.
Slow down, where are you going?
This is a much smaller box, is it?
No, it's actually the same size. Probably. Don't hurt my box. That's value. Get in there. You just threw my box. Alright, last cold start with stock exhaust. I'm gonna mount my phone somewhere really quick to get the exhaust, the sound. Alright, here we go.
We need to have a quick hunt for my jewel. I know you hit it.
I didn't touch your jewel.
I know you did it, boy.
Oh, more stickers.
This is a different setup than last time.
The last time what? This is a different car.
I understand, that's what's the same muffler.
Oh.
Let's see what we got. Made in USA. Patented technology.
All right, so we just got these filed down. We're gonna get test pipes fitted so we can put a straight pipe in. If you can notice right here, I got my my guy's t-shirt on with his face on it.
You do look good.
Ow! That's a blooper.
You.
Did you see that? Did you watch what I did? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, let these boys do it. God. Pull my ear off. Hey. Don't do that.
Hey, zooming in on the washing part. Give me the camera. That's the cleanest part of the whole car.
So we had Kyle's car in here today. We did the secondary cat delete on it and threw on the Corsa system. That's some of the type of work we do. We also do a lot of custom fab, building turbo kits, things of that nature. So any project you may have in the future, hit us up, hit up Kyle, man.
All right, what's up, guys? I hope you like that. Shout out to my boy Mackenzie and Zach at Z-Race Garage for helping me out today. Listen, if you guys need any fabricated work, anything like that, custom fab work, intakes, intake manifolds, exhausts, anything like that, hit them up. Their link will be in the description. I think the exhaust came out sick. I love how it pops. Next mod is coming, the intake. But besides that, tell me how you like the exhaust. Comment this video, give it a like, and subscribe. See ya.